Most drivers buy the wrong scratch remover, waste hours rubbing their paint, and end up with the exact same scratches staring back at them. Even worse, some products can actually make the finish look worse if you use the wrong one. I tested some of the most popular scratch removers on daily drivers, road trip vehicles, and cars that have seen years of abuse, so you don't waste your money on products that don't deliver. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which scratch remover is right for your situation and which one deserves the top spot. And if you've ever bought a car care product that promised miracles and delivered disappointment, hit that subscribe button. We test these products the way real drivers actually use them. Also, check the links below for updated prices and deals, and drop your vehicle and paint issue in the comments if you want a personalized recommendation. Starting at number 5, we have the Zdotter Black Touch-Up Paint for Cars. This one is a little different from the rest because it's not a traditional polisher scratch remover. It's designed specifically for black vehicles and comes with an integrated applicator that makes touching up chips and deeper scratches surprisingly simple. The paint matches many black finishes well, and the compact design makes it easy to keep in your glove box or garage shelf. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to apply without making a huge mess. In real-world use, this works best for isolated scratches and rock chips where polishing alone won't solve the problem. Here's where this thing surprised me. On a black sedan that had several noticeable door edge scratches, the improvement was immediate. The scratches didn't magically disappear, but they became dramatically less visible. The downside is that color matching can vary depending on your exact paint code. Still, if you own a black vehicle and want a quick, affordable fix, this is a solid budget-friendly option. But if you're dealing with larger areas of paint defects, the next product takes things to another level. At number 4, we have the Chemical Guys C4 and P4 Clear Cut Correction Compound and Precision Paint Perfection Polish Combo. This is a true two-step correction system. The C4 compound is designed to remove heavier defects, while the P4 polish refines the finish afterward. The bottles feel professional grade, and the formulas are engineered to work with both machine polishers and hand application. Right away, you can tell this kit is aimed at people who want serious paint correction rather than a quick cosmetic cover-up. After testing it for several weeks, this combo consistently removed scratches that cheaper products simply couldn't touch. The compound cuts aggressively enough to tackle swirl marks, oxidation, and moderate scratches, while the polish restores clarity and gloss. Most buyers don't realize how important that second polishing step is until they see the difference themselves. The only drawback is that it takes more time and effort than all-in-one products. But if you're chasing professional-level results, that's a trade-off worth making. Now this is where things start getting interesting. At number 3, we have the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax. The moment you pick this up, you realize it's trying to do multiple jobs at once. It's designed to polish minor imperfections, enhance gloss, and leave behind ceramic protection. The formula spreads easily, wipes off cleanly, and creates a slick finish that feels noticeably smoother than many traditional waxes. For drivers who don't want a complicated detailing process, that's a big advantage. In real-world testing, this became one of my favorite time-saving products. On daily driven vehicles exposed to sun, rain, and road grime, it delivered noticeable paint enhancement while adding impressive water-beating protection. Seriously. This shocked me. Many products claim to polish and protect, but few balance both as effectively as this one. The only downside is that it won't remove deeper scratches as aggressively as dedicated correction compounds. But for light defects and long-lasting shine, it's hard to beat. And the next product solves one of the biggest complaints people have with traditional polish and wax combinations. At number 2, we have the 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax. This product has built a loyal following for a reason. It's designed as a single-step solution that combines cutting ability, polishing performance, and paint protection in one bottle. The consistency feels smooth and easy to work with, whether you're using a dual-action polisher or applying by hand. It spreads evenly and doesn't create the dusting mess that some competing products leave behind. Here's what most buyers don't realize. Convenience matters. A lot. During testing on neglected daily drivers, 3D Speed consistently produced dramatic improvements in less time than multi-step systems. Swirl marks faded, gloss increased, and the paint looked significantly healthier after a single session. The only drawback is that dedicated compounds can still remove deeper defects more effectively. But for the average vehicle owner who wants impressive results without spending an entire weekend detailing, This product is incredibly hard to beat. But there's still one product that earned the top spot. At number 1, we have Meguiar's 3-in-1 wax. This product impressed me from the very first test. It's engineered to remove light defects, polish the paint, and provide durable protection all in a single application. The formula feels refined, spreads effortlessly, and wipes away without frustration. That's something experienced detailers immediately appreciate. It works on a wide range of paint colors and finishes, making it one of the most versatile products in this entire lineup. In real-world use, this delivered the best overall balance of correction, shine, ease of use, and protection. After testing it on everything from commuter cars to weekend cruisers, it consistently produced results that looked professionally detailed. And this is where things get really important. It doesn't just hide imperfections temporarily. It actually improves the appearance of the paint while adding meaningful protection against future contamination. The only minor downside is that severe scratches will still require more aggressive correction methods. But for the vast majority of drivers, this is the product that delivers the biggest improvement with the least hassle. So what's the final verdict? If you're on a tight budget and need to touch up isolated scratches on a black vehicle, the Zdotter is your best entry-level option. If you're looking for professional-grade paint correction, the Chemical Guys combo delivers serious cutting and polishing power. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax is ideal for drivers who want great shine and protection in one easy package. The 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax offers some of the best value and convenience on the market. But if you want the strongest overall combination of scratch removal, gloss enhancement, protection, and ease of use, Meguiar's 3-in-1 wax takes the crown. Choosing the right scratch remover isn't just about appearance. It's about protecting your investment, preserving your paint, and avoiding products that waste your time and money. Make the right choice now, and you'll save yourself a lot of frustration later. If this review helped you out, subscribe for more real-world automotive testing and buyer's guides. Check the links below for current pricing and deals, and let me know in the comments what vehicle you're driving and what paint issues you're dealing with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.